Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, I am Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for joining me today. Please do make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for Verasity. And we are just taking a look here at the daily chart for Verasity. In this local area you can see Verasity slowly making its way up to the upside after the breakout of this big, long, pretty much year-long bearish descending wedge that you can see here quite clearly. It's pretty obvious to me that ever since we had this bounce off the low of around 1/5 of a cent all the way up to 1.1 cents, you could see pretty much for the whole year just been consolidating and going sideways. A nice little 5x here, and right now we are looking like we've essentially broken out of this area here on some bullish news for fundamentals for Verasity. You can see we've come back down, we've retested that 100 EMA pretty much perfectly, along with basically retesting that 0.23 Fibonacci. We've run up to the next key level, which is the Fibonacci level here. We've obviously had a bit of chop over the past few weeks with Bitcoin also looking very choppy, basically just following the price of Bitcoin as always. And now you can see come back, had a proper back test of this area here and getting a bounce in this area, really looking like we want to come back up and retest that next level. As you can see quite clearly here, zooming out a little bit, you can see basically we need to get up above this area of structure and basically resistance in this area here. Up to around that 1.1 cent level is where we got to before we obviously lost steam and fell to the downside. I do think we're probably going to see ourselves break out and head up to the next Fibonacci level pretty soon, in my opinion. It seems fairly likely that that will be the case, and obviously if that is the case, we're going to see Verasity heading up to some very, very nice prices, in my opinion. As you can see here, I do think, as I said before, the technical target is still at that 618 Fibonacci at 2 cents, which would be around a, what is it, just under a 3x from the current price, or around a 5x from this swing low here, which would make sense considering the confluence of 5x here and then a 5x here, along with, you know, this being the technical target after this big descending wedge, have an impulse the same size as this one. Very, very easy stuff. I do think we'll get there at some point regardless, but I do think sooner or later with this breakout we're going to start working some of these fib levels for Verasity, and that's going to be very, very good indeed. Long term I am bullish on this project. Also, someone actually posted something about the chart for Verasity on TradingView. That's interesting. As you can see, my long-term thesis has not changed whatsoever. You can see backtest, extension, backtest, and we are looking for that extension going into 2024, the bull market, and 2025 for the peak of the run. Hopefully topping out at around that $1 or $2 area would be absolutely insane. Obviously ridiculous gains from the current price, that would be for sure. But obviously I think overall we're probably going to see Verasity at least heading towards that 20 cent level at the very, very least, I would say, which is around only a 2x from the all-time high. I think realistically we're going to see a lot more once things start moving. But overall, not that much has changed. We are waiting to see what happens next with Bitcoin, currently leading the market, but the fireworks are coming, that bull market is coming, and I'm excited to see what happens next. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, really, really appreciate you being here. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Also join the free Discord below, or sign up as a YouTube member with the join button if you want access to the private part of the Discord. I'll hang out there pretty much every single day, talking about some cryptos, etc. You get personal access to me. So if you do want to support the channel, sign up with the join button, or sign up with the free link below if you don't want to do that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.